Hi, welcome to One's Academy. In this video, we will talk about how to manage Worklog with ones.com. Worklog on ones.com is what we use to record and manage the time that we spend for different work and issues. First, let's take a look at the types of Worklog. On ones.com, there are three types of Worklog: estimated time, time spent, and time remaining. Estimated time is the amount of time that members expect to spend in completing their work. Time spent refers to the total amount of time that members have already spent for their work. And time remaining is the difference between estimated time and time spent. However, sometimes in our daily work, we cannot accurately estimate the exact time that we will spend in completing an issue. So, we can edit the time remaining to update the total estimated time. Next, let's take a look at two different modes of worklog management, which are simple mode and summary mode. When the worklog mode is set to simple mode, members can directly edit the overall time for each issue, including the estimated time and time remaining. For the time spent, members can individually log the time that they have spent for the issue. And in summary mode, members can record all the three types of time individually, and the displayed issue's estimated time and time remaining will be the summary of every member's logged work hours. So, simple mode is suitable for teams that are concerned with the overall business, or where each member is independently responsible for a single task. And the summary mode works better for teams that focus on resource allocation or where multiple members will collaborate on a single task. To switch the worklog modes, admins can go to Configuration to change the settings. Team members can differentiate the two modes by whether the member worklog module is displayed. In simple mode, the time module is displayed below the worklog info, while in summary mode, you can see the member worklog module at the same place. In the next part, I will demonstrate how to utilize the two modes when managing worklog. Let's first start with the simple mode. If you go to the Time tab on an Issue Details page, you can see here are the three types of worklog: time estimated, time spent, and time remaining. Based on the worklog displayed here, we know about the progress of the issue and deviations between members' estimated time and the actual time spent. In simple mode, you can estimate the time that will be spent in completing the whole issue. To record the time spent, you can click the Log Time button and fill in the worklog information in the pop-up window. The member is set as the account who is currently operating the action by default, but it can be changed in some specific scenarios. For example, the team leader can log work hours for all team members during the morning meetings. After logging the time spent, the system will automatically calculate the time remaining. Team members can manually edit the time remaining to make the estimated time more accurate. Here, members can also write a brief description about their work. After filling in all the information, click OK to record the time spent. You can also view the work hours recorded by other members or make adjustments to worklog as needed. Besides editing time remaining in the pop-up window mentioned before, you can also change it directly by clicking the time remaining in the Time tab of the Issue Details page. Next, let's take a look at how to manage worklog in the summary mode. As we've mentioned, the issue's estimated time and time remaining cannot be edited directly. Instead, you can log the work time for members. To log the estimated time, you can click Time Estimated and then select Member and Date and fill in the estimated time in the pop-up window. When recording the time spent, you can click the Log Time button to open the pop-up window where you can do the same actions as those in simple mode to log your time spent. And details of members' worklog can be viewed in the Member Worklog module. Just like the simple mode, we can also use the time estimated, time spent, and time remaining to calculate the progress and time deviations of the issues in summary mode. In addition to logging work hours, ones.com also provides various worklog reports to help your team analyze the time that your team members spend in their work. When you open the report component on One's project, you can click the Worklog Analysis group to view all the preset worklog reports. There are two types of reports: worklog overviews, which record the summary of worklog from multiple dimensions, and worklog reports that contain the details of every time log. Let's first take a look at the worklog reports. Take the member worklog report as an example. We can see the detailed time log of members, including their time spent, start time, notes, and name of the issues that they've been working on. We can also check the total amount of time spent by all members. If you need to change the report's analysis dimensions or issue scope, you can click Edit and change the settings in the right sidebar. With the filter, we can filter out the issues of which the time needs to be analyzed in the report. For example, we can set the filter as status type includes to do to view the time spent for the issues that haven't been finished. Let's now move to the worklog overview reports with an example of the members' daily worklog overview. In this report, you will see a bar chart of members' daily worklog and data details below the chart. Just like the worklog reports, you can edit the overview report's analysis dimensions and scope. The analysis scope of the overview reports is the same as that of the worklog reports. What you could do differently here is that you can separately configure the horizontal axis and vertical axis of the chart. In addition to viewing the system preset reports, you can also customize reports by clicking Create Report, Worklog Report, and selecting Worklog or Worklog Overview. Take the Worklog Overview as an example. After choosing the type of report you want to create, click OK to configure the report, including the access of the chart and analysis scope. Let's say you want to use the report to analyze the members' time spent in unfinished issues in last week. You can set the horizontal axis as day and select the time range of last week. For the vertical axis, you can select Worklog Recorder, and the last step is to use the filter to sort out the time recorded for unfinished issues. Then, you can save the report to edit its name and group, and use it to analyze worklog data. I hope this video could help you better understand how to manage worklog with ones.com. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@ones.com. See you next time.